Today we're going to show you how to make an amazing slime prank. And prank all your friends. Let's show you how the prank will go. Okay everybody, I am going to prank my sister. Watch what happens. Hey Elise, can you come here? Okay. What is it, Gabrielle? Do you remember that purple slime we made a few weeks ago? I was playing with it, but now I can't find it. I haven't seen that purple slime for a long time. That slime, there was something different about it. I didn't notice anything weird about it. I guess I'll find that slime later. Do you want me to read to you? I don't think so. Are you sure? This is a great book. You can sit right next to me. Gabrielle. Gabrielle, I think you're slimy. I'll let you hold the book. Okay, now you can see how we did it. All you'll need for this prank is a thin book with a slick cover. We used the Princess in Black book for our prank, 2 strong magnets, and a small amount of not too sticky slime. We made that slime in a previous video. The link is down below. First, put one of the magnets on the inside cover of the book. Next, put the other magnet on the outside of the book. They'll stick together. Now you'll be able to move the magnet on the outside from the inside cover. Make sure your slime covers the whole magnet. Shape your slime to make it look more alive. Now you'll be able to move your slime around like it came to life. Now you're ready to trick your friends. Thanks for watching! The most important piece in our puzzle is you. Be sure to like. Tell us what you think. And share us with your friends. And of course, subscribe.